Kliprand is a tiny rural community of around 250 people. For 15 months, the dreaded global pandemic passed by its 50 households. But unfortunately, there's nowhere to hide. COVID-19 found the tiny dot of Kliprand on the map in the far northern corner of the Western Cape. In a matter of a week, life went from peaceful to 30 infections and 3 deaths. The entire town is now under lockdown as a desperate measure to prevent further spread.
We have limited resources at the moment, and this make it more difficult to cope with. So if there's anyone outside who can help us with any resources, anything, you're welcome. And our community members at the moment, they are a bit scary because they do not know what will happen next. They are scared about tomorrow because no one knows when tomorrow comes. We already have 3 fatal cases, and our motto at the moment is stay safe and keep on going. And I do hope that we will overcome this pandemic through Christ, our Savior.
It's estimated that half of the households now have an active COVID-19 case under their roofs. Quarantine is difficult as people live in small RDP homes with the nearest isolation facility hundreds of kilometers away. The nearest town is Vredendal, and that is 150 kilometers away on a bad gravel road. The Uniting Reformed Church is trying to assist as best it can.
The only shop there is closed, sub kitchen is closed, the only Cape Agri cooperative is partly closed, all due of COVID. All of the 50 households are in isolation due to the outbreak of COVID. School is also closed. 3 persons died and will be buried this weekend. The community is in dire need of food and water.
The community of Kliprand is appealing for help and can be reached via Facebook. Dominee October is also asking for prayers for Kliprand in their hour of darkness. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.